I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Xbox profile that earns rewards, because rewards are tied to that account and region. Once signed in, make sure your console has the latest system update and a steady network connection. Slow Wi-Fi causes installation failures. Now open the Microsoft Store app on your Xbox and inspect for any pending updates to the store or to the Rewards app. This prevents conflicts during reinstall. When the store is ready, search for Microsoft Rewards to begin the reinstall process. You should remove the old Rewards app or clear its local data so stale caches don't block reinstall. That reduces errors and speeds setup. Then, in the Microsoft Store, find Microsoft Rewards and select Install. Keep an eye on download and installation indicators because interrupted installs corrupt app files. Once installed, launch the app, accept any permission prompts, and sign in with the correct Microsoft account. Make sure to sync your Xbox profile to refresh entitlements, so the rewards balance. After installation, you should check your rewards balance and activity inside the app and on your Microsoft account page, so you confirm points returned. Then restart the console to let background services register the app and enable notifications. If you still don't see points or sign-in fails, power cycle the Xbox and clear alternate MAC or perform a network reset to force fresh connections. These steps fix most sync and authentication issues. If problems persist, try signing out on all devices and signing back in to re-establish entitlement links.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.